Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on any Huawei or on a phone. By the way, this is the Honor 10X Lite, a decent phone. So, the Google Space application is no longer available in App Gallery. I will show you right here. The app is gone, but I have the application on my website. So, all you have to do is go to my website. The link is in the description, and right here, tap on Google Space. Tap here. And the application is downloading right now. It's a Google Space version 1.0.2. Okay. Okay. So now we have to tap on this file. Tap on allow right here. And now tap on install. And open the application. Tap on start. Tap on allow all the necessary permissions, and the application is starting right now. Okay. Tap on the Playstore icon. And now you have to sign in with your Gmail account. Okay. Tap on agree. Tap on accept. And here we are. This is the Google Play Store for, working. So let's try YouTube application. Tap on install. And the app is downloading right now. I will show you. Let's try WhatsApp. And as you can see, the YouTube is fully working. Let's tap on this video. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And this is what you have been waiting for. What about WhatsApp? Okay. From this Google Play Store, you can download the applications and games you like. So I do hope you ended up enjoying this video. This was a quick tutorial how to get Google Play fully working on your Huawei or on a phone. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. And as always, stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out.